to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys know the vibe. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video is going to be a loose braid tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look. So I'm going to be showing you guys the extensions that I use, the edge control I use, the gel that I used for my parting. I'm going to be telling you guys how many strands of hair I have, how many strands of braids I have right now. So I'm going to be giving you guys like an in-depth tutorial, like everything you need to know on loose braids and how to like achieve it at home, or even if you want to go to a stylist, you can show them my video. So let's get into the tutorial. Hi guys, this is the edge control I use. It's the Yizia edge control. You can take a screenshot of this, and I use the Xpression rich braid. I initially bought 3, but I ended up using 4. So this is my hair, washed, pre-stretched, clean. You have to make sure that your hair is clean. You have to make sure your hair is washed, you know, because you want to give like a very clean part. You want your hair to like come out really nice. So she's just parting my hair because we wanted it like a specific number, right? And I use shine and jam. I forgot to show this here, but I use shine and jam for my parting. So yeah, I'm going to apply like a little bit of amount because I get like very sensitive when there's gel on my scalp. And then this is how you do the loose braid. You know how you do your regular knotless braids. If you do not know how to do knotless braids, please go and watch like videos on YouTube. There are a ton of tutorials on how to do knotless braids. So you're going to start with your hair. You're going to start with your natural hair first, and then you start adding the pre-stretched attachment, right? And as you can see, she's braiding neatly, adding like tiny strands of attach before she starts braiding down. As I said before, I wanted mine to be really big, so I used like a lot of attach. If you do not want yours to be as big as this, you can just like tell your stylist. Now the key to the loose braid is to braid loosely. It is to braid loosely. And then as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but she's taking like a black gel before she collects the braiding hair from the girl, and then she's using it to braid loosely because you want this hair, you know, we're not going to put the loose braid inside hot water, so you want it to be as neat as possible, and then you're going to braid loosely. That's all. That's literally all you have to do. Braid loosely. Make sure that if the attachment gets too rough, you use like a comb to brush it. That's what she's doing right now. Yeah, use a comb to like brush it, and then you continue braiding with your black gel. She's taking the black gel and she's applying it, and then she's braiding again, and she's braiding loosely. That is the key. Braid loosely. Just braid loosely. And yeah, that is how you get the loose braid looks. I'm going to show you guys more examples, but I'm not going to be speaking because I don't know if I'm explaining it well. So look at the black gel by the side. I don't know if I'm explaining it well, but yes, this is what to do. It's so simple. Just learn how to do knotless braids and then braid loosely.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, because it's a point of crying, it was never even now.
So guys, that's the end of the video. I have about 26 braids on my head, so I wanted them a bit big, and I didn't want them to look like very full, so I have 26 braids on my head. I think that's all the information. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the comments and I'm going to reply. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye my loves.